Hello friends, welcome to Learn CorelDRAW tutorial. Now, in last two lectures, we have seen how to create any drawing with the help of objects or with the help of radio objects. Then we have seen how to fill the color. Now, in today, let us start a actual drawing. But as we know that before starting actual drawing, you have to learn from line. Therefore, let us see how to create line. Okay. Now here look at the screen carefully. Here your page size is 8.5 by 11. Now this is start from 0 to the 8.5, but vertically it is not start from 0. For accuracy we have to start this origin from 0 0. Therefore how to set it? Just click at the top right or top left corner of your scale, drag it and drop at the top right left corner of your page. Now this is 0 start, here also 0 is start. Now let us, for drawing the straight line, let us use guidelines. Okay, how to take guidelines? For guidelines, simply you have to click on page, on scale, and drag it. The first one is at the 1 inch, then there is 2, then 3, then 4, 5. Like this you can also drag vertical lines if you want to draw straight line within a scale, or if you want to draw object within a scale. Now this is ready. Now we want to work within this area, therefore let us zoom this area. Okay, now for doing the drawing as per your logic, let us see the some tools. This is 2 point line tool. Simply you click on here and you can draw line, but here the line is not a straight line. Then how to draw straight line? For that purpose here we use guideline, therefore you have to set one more thing, that is snapping property. This here use the snap to guideline. Now click here, begin from this point and then drag your mouse to this point. This is your straight line is created. You can also set property of this straight line. You can also change the width as well as type. If you want dotted line, dash line, like this. If you want this line for arrow, then you can also select the beginning of arrow as well as end of arrow. Okay, like this you can create a simple line. Now how to create shape with the help of line? For that purpose, let us see one more tool, that is Bezier tool. Here are two tools. One is Bezier, one is pen. You can use as per your choice. First, let us see Bezier tool. Suppose I click one point here, other point here. Then I want to draw rectangle. Okay, but here always point one thing, from where you beginning, you have to end at the same node. Okay, if it is filled with color, then it is an accurate shape. If it is not filled with color, then this shape is not accurate as per the rule of CorelDRAW. Okay, this is one shape. You can edit this shape, but only at a limited purpose. Suppose you want to edit this shape like this, then you can edit this shape. You have to only move the nodes. Okay, one more tool is for fixed shape. Just I drop this shape. Pen tool. Suppose I begin from here, then this one, this point, and you should end it at the first node. Now this shape is also ready. Like this, you can create a different shape, but shape should be straight line. Now again, let us create some more shapes. Suppose again I took this. I want to create a house. This is roof of house. After that, I want to create a below part. For that purpose, again I use guideline, because with the help of guideline, it is very easy to draw the shape. Now again zoom this. You can also scroll the mouse. Again begin from here, because each shape should be close. Then only you can fill a color. Let us undo it, and you have to exactly click on the. I think it is not exactly close. Okay, now it is exactly close, because this shape is free to draw another shape. Okay, after that you can easily fill it with color. Pick tool. You can also use the shading. Now if I want to draw here some door or something, that you can also use a pick shape. If we want to draw a window, okay, like this, with the help of line you can draw a shape. See one more shape. Suppose you can use either bezier or pen tool as per your choice. Suppose here we want to draw something like this. Now this is different shape. Now again I want shape here, therefore I took here guideline. Okay, after that I want one more shape. Either you can use bezier or pen tool. Okay, fill it with color. Suppose I want this line thin, like this. With the help of a straight line you can create a shape. Okay, now let us see some more shapes. If you want to remove this guideline, then click on guideline and click delete button. Okay, but if you have some trouble to draw the shape perfectly here, then there is no matter. You can draw it separately and then assemble it together like this. Suppose I want to print something, Indian flag. This is one shape. Okay, this has orange color. Let us copy paste it. Now you can also use a copy paste. It has white color. Again, let us copy paste it. It has a green color. After that, if we want to increase the shape, then you can increase it. Okay, after that, let us create some more things. Suppose here I use again pen tool. and with the help of shift also you can use a straight line, but I think here is not straight line. No, it is not straight line. Then again you can drag a guideline here, and with the help of shape tool you can move the node. Okay, now let us thin this and increase the size, and then keep this shape here. Okay, now inside the ball, inside there it is known as, inside it has one symbol. You can also use this symbol from the ready-made shape. Okay, copy paste and just rotate it. Okay, now these are two symbols. Let us put this symbol inside a flag. With the help of shift key you can resize it properly. Now here the white shape is, I think, quietly big. With the help of shift, okay, let us set here white color. Okay, now it is proper. Again with the help of this is outer symbol, this is, let us create a two symbol. Now it is hard to editing, therefore let us use one technique. uh, we know that these are two symbols. Whenever we want to edit it, we face some difficulties, therefore let us select symbol like this, because two symbols compulsory selected, and then click on group. Like this you can make a group. Now it is very easy for editing with the help of like this. Okay, after that, suppose we want stairs, again use pen tool. Now fill it with color. Let us resize this object. From both sides you want to decrease the size, then use the shift. Okay, with the help of arrow key you can also move the symbol. Copy paste. Now again with the help of shift to increase slightly. After that again copy paste. Again with the help of steps increase slightly. Okay, now let us select the whole object, and you can resize the object. Okay, like this you can make a different shapes. Here is only a practice, you have to only practice the two tools, bezier pen tool, and if you want to edit some shape, then you have to use for that purpose shape tool. With the help of shape tool you can edit any node. You can also add node with the help of shape tool. You can also remove node with the help of shape tool. If you double click here, then one node is add. If you double click here, the node is decrease or remove. Okay, like this you can use shape tool. But if you want to resize the object, you have to move only nodes, not a line. Okay, and your object should be closed. If your object is open, then there is color there. If your object is open, then color is not apply for that shape. Then that shape is considered as a wrong shape. Therefore, you have to practice some basic shapes like this. Simple drawing with the help of either Bezier tool or pen tool, and then you have to edit shape with the help of shape tool. Okay, like this flag, you can draw shape from different place, and then simply select the shape and uh, arrange the shape on the same place properly. Okay, these all objects are separate. If you want to group it, then select hold the object with the help of pick tool, and then you can use you can click on group. Now this is group. Okay, like this you can practice this simple tools. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture. Hello friends, welcome to learn CorelDRAW tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create curve. Okay, we want to create like this curves. Before going to learn how to create a whole drawing, let us create first curve. Before going to create a whole drawing, let us first practicing how to make a curve to a line. Okay, for that purpose, we have to use guideline. You can directly take guideline, and if you want to create curve of same size, because these are different these are single line, and then single line is convert to curve. Then let us see how to do it. And if you want to create a curve of same size, then you have to do one thing. Here our page is start from 0, but vertically it is not start from 0. Then here you have to use 0 log. Now it is vertically also start from 0 here, because while while creating this curve, our page should be in proper dimension. Therefore, if your page not start from 0, then use 0 log. Okay, after that let us keep guidelines on 1 inch, 1, 2, then there is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, as well as drag the vertical guidelines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertically dimension. Okay, now our working area is only this one. Therefore, click on zoom and let us zoom this area. This is our working area. Okay, now let us create curve. For that purpose, here we use Bezier tool. Click on Bezier, and don't forget to set snap to guideline. Okay, here also you have setting of snapping. Always keep snap to guideline while using guideline. Okay, now let us create single line. Click on intersection point and then end on other intersection point, and immediately click on pick tool. Now let us increase the weight of this line, and how to change this line to a curve, because if you want to uh, change this line, if you want to edit this line, then it will by default edit in a only straight line way. Then how to convert it to a curve? For that purpose, first click the whole line. After that, click on shape tool and select the line like this. Your whole line always under whole selection of shape tool. Then on property bar there are some options are open. This option is convert to curve. You can also use here right click to curve. Now your line is convert to curve. Then how to identify it? If you keep this shape tool near the line, then it will show like this symbol, curve symbol. And if you drag it, then this line is converted to curve. Now let us click on node and arrange this arrow properly at one dimension. Okay, now here our curve is perfect. Then now how to create multiple curves? For that purpose, simply go to Bezier, click on first intersection point and last intersection point. After that, immediately click on pick tool, then increase the width, use shape tool, and let us first zoom this line, use shape tool, and at the right this insertion point, click double click. Yeah, it means what? It will you have to add node right here. Click here for adding nodes. Okay, after that again do the same way. Click the line by pick tool, click the shape tool, and select the whole line with the help of shape tool. And again right click here or either click on property bar convert to curve. Then click anywhere in the page first. After that you can make this line as a curve. Again keep this arrow properly or proper curve size. Okay, okay. You can also drag it here. You can also drag it here. Keep it at properly intersection point. Then only suppose we again use this line and this is also curve. But if you don't want if you don't want this line as a curve, then click anywhere on this line and go to again property bar, or you can also right click here and use straight line. Now it becomes straight line. Okay, for better practicing of this, you have to first play with this straight line and how to make straight line to a curve. With the help of pen tool, you can also make like this. Suppose we go again in Bezier, pen. Okay, the first point is here. The second point, while clicking second point here, drag your mouse and click on curve. Okay, and if you want to break this pen tool here, then click on escape or press escape key. Now with the help of shape tool, you can make this line as curve. Okay, but it is quite difficult with the help of pen tool. You have to keep practicing pen tool, but it is very easy with the help of Bezier tool. Again, let us see how to create. This is one line, suppose this is second line, and this second line we want in curve, then drag cursor here. Now I click here. After that I want this straight line, then click here and press escape key. Okay, now with the help of shape tool you can make this line. But what happen here, whenever we want to curve this line, then both side it will change the shape. Then for that purpose you have to use one setting. That setting is cups node. It will break the node. Okay, click on cups node. Now it will only work at either side. If you want if you do something wrong, then click on the undo. Okay, here also you can use cups node, or here you can also use Now your node is free. Okay, go to here. Now here also there is no property moment. Then you can use again cups node. Now this node is free. Like this, with the help of pen tool you can make a curve, but it is quite difficult as compared to Bezier. Then I would like to request you first keep practicing with the help of Bezier, and then you can use a pen tool. Okay, and you have to create like these patterns for best practicing. Okay, it is very simple, but don't keep this practice lightly, because whenever you anywhere you want to curve, then you have to use this technique. Therefore, before going to create a small object of curve, you have to first practicing this, how to make a simple line to a curve. We are going to learn how to create drawing. Now let us create from this first drawing. It is a butterfly. Now let us create a page 2. Okay, while creating this drawing, first create this shape. How to create this shape, let us see. Simply you can use Bezier or pen tool. Here I use Bezier. First zoom the area. Okay, then I want to draw this shape. Then if you don't know how to draw, if you don't know drawing, then also you can easily draw this shape. Simply click on Bezier and click like this. Okay, now this shape is created. Then click on shape tool, select the whole shape and go to convert to curve. Okay, click first anywhere on the page and then you can edit this shape. Okay, let us zoom it with the help of mouse scroll. Now here, if you want to create a smooth shape, then you have to remove unnecessary nodes. Suppose for forming this shape, some nodes are necessary. For example, this node is necessary, this one and this one. Therefore, let us remove the unnecessary node. You can also remove node with the help of shape tool. Select the node and directly double click it. You can also remove the single node by using double click. Now let us remove these nodes. Your drawing should be smooth. Try the smooth drawing. Okay, now after that you can edit the shape as per your logic. Now I told you how to solve this problem. For this problem you use cups node. You can also directly click on line. Okay, like this you can create a shape. Okay, after that we want this shape, middle shape, or you can also first let us draw the middle shape, then we will draw this. And for middle shape is very easy. Again use Bezier. Just click like this. Your last node should be end on the first node. Again do the same way. Select the drawing with the help of shape tool, convert to curve and remove the unnecessary nodes. Here you can also remove a single node with the help of double click, or select node and click delete or press delete button. Now let us adjust this shape with the help of subnodes. You can also create node on the line. As per your choice, you can arrange the shape. But your shape should display a smooth. Okay, now we put this shape here. After that, let us draw this one. Then select the drawing by pick tool. Then select the drawing with the help of shape tool. Convert to curve, and then you can directly delete the nodes. Okay, you can also rotate this shape. If you don't know these techniques, then you can watch our previous lessons. Okay, after that, let us increase this slightly. After that, let us select these two nodes with the help of shift tool. Then click on copy. Then there is paste, and simply click on mirror button. Here is the horizontal mirror. Now drag this shape, or you can also drag with the help of arrow key. Okay, now let us fill it. I told you all methods how to fill the shape. You can choose any one method as per your choice. I use here fountain fill, custom. Let us choose the number colors. Okay, you can also fill it with different pattern. You can use any fill method. There is no restriction. Let us use two color pattern. This one. Choose the color. You can also adjust the width and height. Suppose width is 2, height is 2. Okay. Then go to interactive fill tool, and you can also, with the help of this ratio, you can also, suppose here I use 0.5, you can adjust the pattern. Okay. Suppose you want a different fill here, then you can also use the different fill method. But if you want to same method, then how to use it? Click the shape where you want to fill the any pattern or color. Here we click the empty shape, go to edit, copy property from, click on fill. Okay, this one. As well as you can also use the same method, copy property from, fill this one. Okay, now here you can use the suppose texture, suppose this texture. Okay, now you can also remove the outline from here, none, none. Okay, now after that, let us create this shape. You can also use Bezier, you can also use freehand here. Use freehand. For freehand, you can directly apply the shape tool. You don't need to convert to a curve. Okay. After that, let us broad this outline. copy paste and click on mirror. Okay, you can also apply, or you can also edit this drawing as per your choice. Suppose I want here simple something like this. I want with color. I want a little bit eyes. Copy paste with the help of arrow key also. Okay, let us select hold the drawing and arrange it properly. This drawing is different, it has different part. Then you can also use select all the drawing and click on group. Here is the group. The shortcut key is Ctrl G. Like this you can create a simple drawing. Now like this you can also create a tree. Okay, you can also create this tree, and then we will see how to create other part. But this is a assignment for you, how to create, you have to create this shape, then after that this fruits, and then this part of tree. Okay, draw this kite and this flower. In last lecture we have draw this butterfly. Like this you can easily draw this tree and this star. Now let us draw this kite. For drawing this kite we have to use mirror options. You have to first create the shape. For kite we have to create only this one shape. This is right angle triangle. Okay, now with the help of any tool you can use, you can draw the shape. Here I use now pen tool. Press the shift key, then it will draw the line. It will draw the straight line. Okay, this is one shape. Now let us give some color, then copy paste this shape and click on mirror. This is horizontal mirror. You can take vertical mirror and horizontal mirror. I take here horizontal. With the help of arrow key you can move the object, or you can directly drag the object with the help of mouse. Okay, now set this different color. But while adjusting this object, if you want to do accurately, then you have to remove the outline, then it will arrange accurately. Okay, now again copy paste this object and let us take vertical mirror to change the color. You can take it vertically. With the help of arrow key the position of object is never move, therefore it will help to adjust the object accurately. Now let us zoom here. The- there should be not a gap. You can also check here, accurately place the object. Okay, after that now we want to adjust this shape, then again copy paste this and take a horizontal mirror. Now this is a horizontal mirror, and then you can also adjust it with the help of arrow key, or you can directly drag with the help of mouse. Okay, like this you can create a kite, but you have to check whether it is placed properly or not. Use the zoom tool. Now it is not proper. Like this, use here pen and you can check a whole object. With the help of scroll also you can use zoom in and zoom out. Now here you can also use help the you can also use the shape tool. Okay, now again take pen. Let us check here. Again use pen here. If you want to arrange this properly, then use the guideline. Okay, now it will be very easy to arrange the shape. But while arranging this shape accurately, let us check the shape here. Okay, it is not accurate. Again you can use a either shape tool, or you can arrange the shape by using your O technique. Now here also you can use shape tool also. Now our shape is ready. Okay, let us zoom it. This is a accurate shape. But as we know that these are separate shape, then you have to group it. For grouping, select the whole objects and click Ctrl G, or either you can click on group options. Okay, now our shape is ready. Let us remove these guidelines. Rotate this shape. Now you can also create here a shape, because here is again like this shape. Let us create it. Again you can use either help either guide Bezier or pen tool. Here now I use Bezier. Okay, let us fill it with color. Copy paste and take a horizontal mirror. Here also remove the outline. Check it properly. You can also send this shape back to the kite. And now with the help of freehand, let us draw the line. Write it. Okay, and always send this line behind the kite. Right click order, send to the back of the page. Okay, like this you can create a kite. Now let us create flower. Let us create a new file. For drawing this shape of flower, you can either use ready-made shape, or you can either draw the shape by using your own logic. Here I use to draw shape with the help of Bezier. Okay, with the help of shape tool, Let us convert it. Convert to car. You can also use here shades. Suppose I use here interactive fill, and now remove the outline. Okay. For reference, we have to use middle circle. With the help of this circle, we have idea how to arrange whole shape. Therefore, here also use copy paste. Suppose here I use vertical mirror. Now again I use here paste. Let us rotate this shape. Again use copy paste and mirror, horizontal mirror, vertical mirror. Again copy paste it. Here copy paste this shape. Okay, like this you can arrange the shape. Now here also you can use freehand. You can also rotate this shape. Use here this freehand tool. Okay, then you can also create a leaves. Let us draw this line. After that, use the bezier. Draw the shape of lip. Convert to curve and remove the unnecessary nodes. Like this, you can create a lip. Give the green shade. You can also remove here outline, and let us create one single line within this shape, like this. Okay, you can also change the color of this line from outline color. Suppose we want shade from green color, dark shade of green color. Okay, like this you can change the line color. You can also copy paste this shape and slightly edit the shape. Okay, like this you can create a shape. And if you want to group it, then select hold the drawing and click on either group or Ctrl G. Now here is the group is created. Like this, with the help of rotate and mirror, you can create a drawing as per your choice. In this drawing also we can use mirror object. Here also we can use mirror. Here also we can use mirror. Like this, you can create a drawing. You can easily create this tree and this hut. Okay, keep practicing, then only this all concepts will get clear. Now let us draw some other drawings. Here we see drawing of watermelon, but as per the rule of Corel Draw, if we want to fill color to any drawing, then your drawing should be close. Therefore, if we want to manually draw this drawing, then we easily draw like this. Okay, but this is not a right method to draw in Corel. Then for that purpose, you have to first draw the below shape hole and then the upper shape. Let us see how to do it. Here I use Bezier tool. Let us create a desired shape. Okay. Now convert to curve and remove the unnecessary nodes. Okay. After that, let us fill it with color. Okay. Then just copy paste it and fill with red color. Okay. Now with the help of shape tool, you can easily edit the upper shape like this. You can easily edit a upper shape. Then this whole drawing is created. You can also apply your own logic. Now let us check whether it is properly closed or not. For that purpose, use the zoom tool. For zoom tool, shortcut is Z. Okay. Let us remove outline. Then if you want to remove the outline of these two shapes, then go to no outline. Now let us check it. Yeah, it looks properly. After that, let us check here. Here also it looks properly. Then with the help of Z, you can also pan the image. Now let us draw the ellipse, fill with black color. Let us copy paste it. Copy paste. You can paste multiple time. Control V. Okay, but this shape is created with the help of different object. Therefore, let us group it. Let us select hold this shape and either click Ctrl G, or you can also click here Ctrl G. Like this, you can create a watermelon shape. Okay. Now, like this, you can create a different shape. But for creating this shape, here also the rule is your whole shape should be closed. Then only you can easily fill the color. You can also draw this fish and rotate it. Okay, just copy paste the fish and then slightly edit the shape of fish. Like this, you can also draw the mango, and here you can use the mirror of that mango. You can also draw the joker, draw the separate part, and then uh, complete the drawing to merge all the part together. Okay, you can also edit this shape. You can also use some object as per your logic. You can also use a different eyes or different something different shape to form a. You can only take a reference of this uh, drawing and you can draw by using your own logic. Then let us draw something. Let us draw this shape. Okay, then for drawing this shape, suppose I want to draw here, but never finally, if your drawing is completed finally, then you have to put that drawing on the page. Now here uh, I currently drawing outside the page. Let us draw the different things. Suppose the first thing is the upper shape. Okay, after that, if you want to fill different color, then you have to draw the different shape. Suppose here I used to draw this one. Here also it should be close. Then with the help of guideline, you can also edit this shape. Okay, here also you can use guideline. Okay, convert to curve. Here also you can use guideline. Okay, like this. Suppose we want this shape here, we put it here. Then with the help of shape tool, arrange the shape. Okay, again use guideline. If you don't want here any uh, round shape, then click this and click on straight line. Click that node and click on straight line. Okay, like this you can complete this shape. After that, how to draw this ellipse? You can simply draw with the help of Bezier tool, or you can also use pen tool. Convert to curve and remove the unnecessary nodes. Okay, but suppose here I fill it with color and I want to set this leaf here. Then don't adjust here, just right click on this, go to order, back of the page. Like this you can arrange this leaf. Then copy paste it, take a mirror, you can also use this leaf. After taking mirror, again go to order, back of the page, and with the help of shape tool, you can slightly edit the shape of this leaf like this. Okay, like this you can create a this drawing. For practicing better shape, Bezier tool, pen tool, color fill, you can also here use shading. For all this purpose, you have to draw some drawings. Here, suppose I want to create some shades like this. You can create a drawing. Okay, then keep practicing this all shapes. Okay, if you draw all this drawing, then definitely your drawing logic within the CorelDRAW will be clear. Okay, now thank you for watching the lecture. Let us continue in next lecture.